What's up everyone, I'm Alex Costa, and if there's one thing that I've learned through the years is that girls can be complicated. And sometimes that can be challenging for us guys, especially because we are the ones who are technically supposed to make the first move. But the good news is that most girls give out the same signs when they're interested in you. So if you look for these signs, you will definitely know whether or not she's into you. For example, let's start with the physical signs she's gonna give if she's into you. The first thing she's gonna do is make eye contact. And I don't mean she's gonna stare at you, because if she did, I think that would be a little weird and I'd be a little bit freaked out. Girls don't usually do that. But she's gonna glance at you a couple times, and if you look back at her, she's probably gonna turn away. And then she might blush, or she might turn away and start talking to a friend who's next to her just to kind of play it off. But the biggest sign she's gonna give you is if she's looking at you, and then she looks back at her friend, talks to her friend, and then both of them look back at you. Then you know for a fact that she's talking about you to her friend, which is a good sign, unless you're wearing like a clown costume or something crazy. They're saying good things about you. The second sign is if she is smiling a lot. Talking to her and she keeps smiling, it means that she's happy to talk to you. It means that she is excited and is having a good time with you, which means she is probably into you, especially if you just met her. Obviously, if she's been your friend for years and she's smiling when she's talking to you, I probably wouldn't think that she's into you just because she's smiling, so please keep that in mind as well. But if you just met this girl and you guys are vibing and she's smiling, then dude, she is most likely into you. And then if she comes closer to you and your personal space gets smaller, then that's another sign. If you're at a bar and it's really loud and you can't really hear her and she's coming really close to you to say something into your ear, then obviously take this with a grain of salt. But if she comes close to talk to you because it's loud and she touches you, then that's different. Or if it's really not that loud in the bar, but she scooches over close to you anyway, then you know that you're doing a good job. And the best way to make her come closer to hear what you have to say is to obviously be talking about something interesting, to be an interesting person, right? So that's why I always recommend you guys to learn new things, so you have more interesting things to talk about. You need to always work on your conversational skills. And our sponsor today, Skillshare, has everything you need to take your conversational skills to the next level. Think about it when you have hobbies, things that you do on the weekends, for example, or maybe you have really cool skills. That makes you more interesting because it gives you interesting topics to talk about, and nobody can take that away from you. And Skillshare has thousands of classes in business, technology, cooking, design, anything you can think of. And I think as guys, especially guys who are single, you have extra time on your hands, all right? So this is the way to go, learn something new. And their membership is only $10 a month, which if you really think about it and compare it to money that we spend on stupid things like coffee every day, this is nothing. You're learning something new. It's well worth the $10 a month. I've been taking a lot of classes on Photoshop, for example, so I can make better video thumbnails and post better Instagram pictures for you guys. And since you guys are part of the YouTube family, the first 500 people who sign up using the link below will get 2 months free of Skillshare. 2 months, 500 people, which means you have a good chance of getting this right now and learning new things. You know how many things you can learn in 2 months? Click the link in the description below and sign up right now. Which brings me to the next sign that she likes you. If you guys are talking on social media, Instagram, Twitter, or even texting, and she's asking you a lot of questions, then that means that she probably is into you. Questions like this, you ask her about her day and she says, my day was good, I went out with friends. How about you? What did you do? Did you do anything fun? This means that she's doing her part in keeping the conversation flowing and moving forward. If she just answers your question and tells you about her day without asking you about yours, then she doesn't care. If she answers your questions with 1 or 2 words and it's super dry, like good or it was fun, and doesn't say anything else, honestly, I wouldn't waste my time with this girl. Because if she's interested, she's gonna wanna learn more about you. So keep an eye out for that. Longer answers, faster reply time, and questions at the end to get to know you better. That's what you want. Let's say you're talking to her in person, a grocery store, a bar, a club, a gym, it doesn't really matter. And she's playing with her hair, she's checking herself in the mirror, making sure she looks good. Then that probably means that she is a little bit insecure around you. She wants to make sure she looks good around you, which is a huge positive sign. Otherwise, honestly, she probably would not care if her hair or her makeup were on point. By the way, you guys, let me just say this. If you notice her doing any of these signs, right, she might be into you, but it's not an open invitation to touch her or move in aggressively. Some girls do like that, but most do not. Take these signs and then judge the situation. Each case is different. You know, if you just met her, ask her for her number. If you've been seeing her already, then ask her if she wants to go out with you again. If you guys think there's something going on, you might be able to say, hey, maybe you want to come have a nightcap at my place. But it all depends on this specific situation. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to become part of the YouTube family so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos on hair, grooming, lifestyle, travel, so much more coming here for you guys. Also follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa. I've been posting there a lot and you can get fashion inspiration. I'm traveling recently, so you definitely want to see what I'm up to. I'm in London and Marbella this week, so I'm very excited for that. And then also, don't forget to check out today's sponsor, Skillshare, to get your 2 months free and learn new skills and up your conversational skills and your game. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.